What's going on, guys? Dave of the Dead here, and this is Critical Annihilation. This is really simple, fun, just gory, bloody time killer, essentially. So we're just gonna go right into it. Little guy. Ah, stop it! And whoa! And essentially, you just have to survive. And you got machine guns. And you got rockets. Get out of here! Whoa! Hey, no. Oh, no. Whoa! I died already. Yay! We're gonna try that again. Let's go. No, stop shooting me. Every time it beeps, I get a kill, but like Rambo, the game, except better, because the real Rambo, the game, is a horrible, horrible rail shooter. This game is on Game Jolt right now. It's actually one of the top games. Stop shooting me! No! Stop it! Ah, no! I died. But holy crap! I got 43 that time. Let's try to beat it. We're going to go for 100. We're gonna go for 100. Oh, I got a big open thing now this time. Whoa, hey, no, what? Oh, I can shoot these. Can I eventually knock them down? Yes. Awesome particle effects. That rocket looks awesome. Ah, stop! No! I come in peace. I come in bloody, gory peace. Ah! Yeah. Stop it. Boom. There's a little delay for rockets, but I'm pretty sure you have infinite ammo for everything. Ah! I died 56. Going for 100. Oh wait, hang on. Oh, we're in the main menu. It said AC 130 ready. Come on. Oh well, I guess I'll die. I don't hurt myself when I do that. I'm gonna die. We're gonna see what the AC 130 does. Oh, okay. We got 2 kills. All right. Okay, 1 is the AC 130. Okay, alrighty then. So if you guys watch any of my videos, I am a big fan of unnecessarily gory violence. Which my prime examples are Wolfenstein, The New Order, and Left 4 Dead. That was a house. That's a house. Can I go in here? I can! Although that's not wise. Ah! Get away! Ah! No, stop it! Get away! Oh, what? I pressed 1! Why is 50? Oh, 50. It looked like 58. I was gonna say, why is 58 under 56 in top kills? No, go away. Yeah, son of a bitch. Alright. Oh, you didn't die. You would have at least been dead from that explosion. Screw nature, blow up all these trees. Lumberjack it up. I probably shouldn't do that deep raspy voice. I've got a sore throat. It'll all be worth it. Boom! No, go away. I'm pressing 1. Oh! Oh, no, I died. I was at 70. Oh, we're going to do that again. This game's actually pretty fun. Yeah, we did it. We cut down that tree. Oh, God. Why? No, I'm doing horrible this one. Oh, cool. I can blow it up. I need protection from at least one side. Maybe. Ah! No. No, 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 no. Ah, ah. Stop it. Nope. Boom. I just realized this is Markiplier's music. Okay, my missiles changed to AC-130. Ah! Ah! Go away! Stop it! You alien robot bastards! I died, but reached 113. Awesome. So I'm gonna call that a video. It was really short. I just want to show you guys this really fun game that I found on GameJolt.com. The link will be in the description if you want to play it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming goodness. And I will be here to always provide it for you. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm David the Dead, and y'all have a good one.